Good afternoon guys, this is Lee from Source Sounds Limited, just showing you a little demonstration of the new KENWOOD DMX5020DABS radio that we've fitted into this lovely looking Fiat 595 Abarth. So I'm just going to the car just to show you. That's it. This was one of the slightly older dashboards where it got the singled in radio here with heater controls at the top. As you can see there that we've modified that, so the heater controls are now at the sides and we've got a doubled in unit in there. So this is the DMX5020DABS. It's just in setup mode, so a few things we need to turn demo off. Need to just finish. So this unit, you can see from there, so we've got DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, depending on when the phone's plugged in. We've got Bluetooth for phone calls. So just go on to DAB, just turn the volume down. So we've retained the factory steering controls. So you see there that I'm just using volume controls. So just waiting for scanning now. So just scanning the DAB signals. It normally takes a couple of minutes, if that. So we've got lots of channels up here in the north of England. So there we go, so we've got absolute rock on. But then if I just do the list, this shows you extending A to Z. The screen up and down, or we can just go to the bottom, or we can do an A to Z, and I want something beginning with G. And then it starts the list from G. So very easy to use, very easy to navigate. Fantastic little unit. Excuse me. So if you want something similar, please get in touch with the guys at Source on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.